What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to talk about the secrets to success. The three essential components of success in business are skill set, mindset, and opportunity. First, let's talk about skill set. As an entrepreneur, you have to have a particular set of skills that are essential to your success. These skills can vary, but for Amazon specifically, some of the most important ones include problem solving, creativity, and adaptability. Without these skills, you'll find it challenging to navigate the world of Amazon. But having the skills alone isn't enough. You also need to have the right mindset, which means having a positive attitude, a growth mindset, and an unwavering determination to succeed. You have to believe in yourself and your abilities and be willing to work tirelessly towards your goals, even in the face of adversity. Speaking of adversity, let's talk about some real-world examples of successful entrepreneurs who overcame significant challenges to achieve success. Take Elon Musk, the entrepreneur of the century. Elon's built several successful businesses, including SpaceX and Tesla. However, he's also faced numerous setbacks and challenges throughout his journey. For example, when he co-founded PayPal, the company faced a bunch of legal and financial issues. He was eventually ousted from the company, but he didn't let that stop him. Instead, he used his skill set and mindset to create a new venture, SpaceX, which aimed to revolutionize space travel. However, SpaceX also faced several setbacks, including multiple failed rocket launches and a near bankruptcy in 2008. But despite these challenges, he never let failure defeat him. Instead, he used it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Today, SpaceX has launched multiple successful missions, including sending astronauts to the International Space Station. And Tesla is leading the charge in the electric car industry. Now, obviously, starting an Amazon business isn't the same as trying to go to Mars. But my point is, no matter what you're doing, believe in yourself. And don't let setbacks define your future. Celebrate your small wins and stay positive in the face of adversity. This will go a long way with cultivating the right mindset. Now let's talk about the third component of success, opportunity. We live in a day and age where it's easier than ever to become successful thanks to the opportunities that the internet affords us. With the rise of e-commerce, social media, and digital marketing, we can reach a massive audience and grow our businesses like never before. Take Jeff Bezos, for example, who founded Amazon in 1994 as an online bookstore. Today, Amazon is the world's largest online retailer with a market cap of over $1 trillion. Jeff saw an opportunity in the early days of the internet and he seized it, building a business that would change how we shop forever. Again, we aren't Jeff Bezos trying to build the next Amazon, but we are using his platform and the opportunity we're afforded today in the online space to build our own businesses in a way that past generations weren't able to. Our parents and grandparents weren't able to start online businesses from the comfort of their own home, reaching millions of people instantly with a click of a button. We're lucky enough to have that opportunity to build 6, 7, and even 8-figure businesses from our home using just our laptop, but only if we seize that opportunity. Now, success won't happen overnight. It takes time and effort, but with the right skills, the right mindset, and the right opportunity, anyone can achieve success no matter what challenges get thrown your way. So I encourage you all to cultivate your skill set, develop a positive and growth-oriented mindset, and seize this opportunity.